ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। We are in Halanta Pullinga Prakarana. We have finished this Innanta Shabda, Ushan Shabda, this Han Dhatwanta Shabda, Aryaman Shabda, because for them Vishishta Karya was there in Han Pusharyam Nam Shav. The Upadha Dirgha was happening. Those all these Shabdas are Nakaranta. Sarvanama Sthanecha Sambuddhav, Upadha Dirgha was happening whenever there was Sarvanama Sthana Samsniga Pratyaya. But when these Shabdas are there, then only Shi Pratyay when is there in front of them, that time, and Si Su Pratyay is there, that time this will happen. That's what the Upadha Dirgha will happen. That's what Shvayo Magho Nama Tatsite. Not Inhan Pusharyam Nam Shav, this sutra said. Now, after that, here we come. Maghavan Shabda we have started. And Maghavan Shabda, though it is Nakaranta Shabda, the Nakara is replaced by Tru by Maghava Bahulam. And that's how we get Maghavan turning into Maghavatru. Rukara disappears because it is Anunasika Ach. So Upadesheja Anunasika It, by that it gets its Saudnya and Tasya Lopaha, it disappears. So Maghavat Shabda we get. Now Maghavat is what we are going to decline. Maghavat
Narayan, are you talking?
No, Swami. I was waiting. Okay. This Bhasharimi was talking.
Because suddenly there is silence. We don't know whether you are talking and we are not hearing or you are not talking at all.
No, Swami. I was not talking this Bhasharimi. I had
Okay,
not.
okay.
What? This is the situation for us now. Maghavan Su was there, but Na is replaced by Thru. Maghavatru. Then this Rukara disappears and we get this situation. Maghavat Su. Okay. Now, because Rukara has disappeared from it, therefore, this Shabda is Ugit, because Uk Pratyaharastha later has disappeared from it, taking its Saudnya. So, Uk is U, Ru, and Ru. So, any one of these later, it gets its Saudnya, then whatever is the shabda having that pratyaya which has this particular it is named as ugit. So Maghavat shabda is now ugit shabda. Because it is ugit, therefore the next sutra is applied. Let's read the sutra. Ugidacham sarvanama sthane dhatoh. Ugidacham sarvanama sthane dhatoh. Ugidacham sarvanama sthane dhatoh. Ugidacham sarvanama sthane dhatoh. Ugit, we have to remember. Maghavat is our ugit. Okay. Now what this sutra is saying? Num syat. Num syat is the mukhya kriya. May the num happen. Num happen to whom? So the list is given. What? Ugitaha. Ugitaha. Ugitaha num syat. The shabdas which are ugit, may those shabdas get num agama. Okay. Is there any specific quality for that ugit? It is being given. Adhatoho ugitaha. Adhatoho ugitaha num syat. Okay. When any nimitta sarva nama sthane num syat. Adhatoho ugitaha sarva nama sthane pare sati num syat. This is one meaning. Second meaning of this sutra is nalopinaha anchatehe cha sarva nama sthane num syat. Second meaning we don't need now, because when we will decline this prang, etc., these types of rupas, this avang, prang, these types of shabdas, for that ancha dhatu, anchu dhatu is used. So there this nya, that is nakara, that disappears. Okay, and then that this particular rule is applied. Again, this num comes in this sutra shabda form, and then it is declared. So adhatoho ugitaha. Nalopinaha anchatescha. This part we are not taking now. We are just taking adhatoho ugitaha sarvanama sthane num syat. May num agama come. This is the meaning. Now our ugit was Maghavat. So because num is mit, therefore it midachontyat parah, antyat achah parah mit syat. So antya ach in this Maghavat is akara, which is vakarottaravarti. Vakarottaravarti akara is our antya ach, and after that num comes. That means num will come here. Then ta, then sup. Sutra to bring this num is this. Ugi dacham sarvanama sthane now Maghava num only nakara will remain. Ukara and makara will disappear. Makara halantyam, ukara upadeshajanunasikit, or uchcharanartha we can consider it. And then Magavan, then ta, which is we had brought by this through agama Maghava bahulam, and sa. Nothing, just makara has disappeared. This is what we have got. Now Maghavatsa, connecting them together, this is what we get. Now Maghavansa. Now sakara will disappear, takara will disappear, and just Maghavan will remain. And then we will do the Upadha Dirgha also. First, Sakara will disappear by Sutra. Linyabhyo Dirgha Sutisya Proktam Hal. Then
Takara will disappear by Sayogantasya Lopah.
Yogantasya Lopaha. Now, Upadha Dirgha will happen.
Bhagavan.
Correct. So this is our final form, Maghavan. Now, here, there is one problem, but here, okay, Maghavan. Okay. What is the problem? Problem is this. Sanyogantasya Lopa is 8 to 23. And this Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau is this 6, 4, 8. Now, whether this Sanyogantasya Lopa is seen by this Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau or not?
No.
Correct. It is not seen. Again, Nalopa Pratipadikantasya also does not take place here, because now after doing this Sanyogantasya Lopa, only Maghavan is remaining. Now Nakara is also supposed to get disappear. So Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. Nalopa Pratipadikantasya is 8 to 7. Now here, the problem is clear that Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau cannot be applied, because Takara Lopa becomes Asiddha, because it is Tripadi. Second Pada, 23rd Sutra. So Purvatra Siddham. Sapada Saptadhyayam Prati Tripadi Asiddha. So Sanyogantasya Lopa becomes Asiddha. That means for Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau, Takara is there. Correct. And now this Nalopa Pradipadikantasya, if at all Takara Lopa is happening, Nalopa Pradipadikantasya is also supposed to be applied. But Tripadyam Purvam Prati Param Shastram Asiddham. Nalopa Pradipadikantasya, this particular sutra is not getting applied, because it says that, oh, inside the Tripadi, whatever is later does not exist for the former one. So here it gets applied. Here it is so far. This between this na and the prakriya is okay. But between this talopa and the upadha akara dirghatva, there is problem. Nakara lopa is not happening because Nalopa Pradipadikantasya Sutra is saying that Sanyogantasya Lopa does not exist for me. So Takara has not disappeared. So Nakara is not at the end of this Pratipadika Pada. It is second last. It is in the second last position. It is not last. Antya Nakara it is not. So therefore Nakara Lopa is not taking place. But this Sanyogantasya Lopa is very much Siddha when it comes to the application of Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau. Then only if we consider the Takara Lopa Siddha, then only Upadha Dirgha is possible. Yes, Swamiji?
Yes, nothing.
Then only Upadha Dirgha is possible. So the question is clear?
Yes, Ji.
So the question Balmanoramakara will repeat just same. Is Maghavanta sa iti sthite halngyadina सुलोपे संयोगांत लोपे च सति सर्वनाम स्थाने च इति दीर्घ इत्यर्थः. So this is the prakriya. Done. Till this prakriya is done and Maghavan becomes siddha. ननु यह दीर्घे कर्तव्ये संयोगांत लोपस्य असिद्धत्वात् नान्तत्व अभावात् पचन इत्यादौ इव दीर्घः न संभवति इति आह. दीर्घे कर्तव्ये. Now there is this Shatranta form. Pach, then Shap, then Shatru. And at the end, we get Pachat, then Pachant. This Sa will disappear and we will get Pachan. Here the Upadha Dirgha does not take place. Because in the form of, when we are declining this Pachant here, Su will disappear and then we will get Pachan at the end. Here Pachan does not become Pachan. Same rule, same prakriya will happen. Ugidacham sarvanama sthane adhatoho, and then we will get this nakara in between that Shatru, Shatranta, Pachat, Takara. This Takara comes off this Shatru. So here Upadha Dirgha does not take place because here it is considered that Takara Lopa is Asiddha. Sanyogantasya Lopa is Asiddha. That means what? Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau in the case of Pachan does see Takara after that Nakara. In the case of Pachan, here Takara is seen by Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddhau. Whereas in the case of Maghavan, that Sanyoganta Lopa, this particular sutra, does become Siddha. Why? So, reason is given, Bahulam. Bahulam Shabda is used. Maghava Bahulam. Sutra is, yes, Maghava Bahulam. Maghavan Shabdasya Vatru Ityantadeshasya. Now this Bahula Shabda, generally we take the meaning of Bahula Shabda as Bahula Shabda means Vikalpa, like that we take the meaning of Bahula Shabda. But it is not. Maghava, this Bahula Shabda gives 4 meanings. Kvachit Pravrittihi, Kvachit Apravrittihi, Kvachit Vibhasha, Kvachit Anyadeva. By Bahula Shabda, these 4 meanings are taken. Kvachit Pravritti, sometimes something is not Prapta, is Prapta. Sometimes something is Prapta, it is done Aprapta by Bahula. Sometimes Vikalpa is done, Vibhasha. Sometimes Pravritti and Apravritti, both of them are done. And sometimes Anyadeva, some other work will happen. Not Pravritti, not Apravritti, not Vikalpa, but something else, which is not in this order. Now here, this Maghavan Sa, Maghavan, Maghavan, like that we came to the Prakriya. The original form is Magha, means the Sadhu Prayoga is Maghavan. Maghavan is not that much used. But how will we consider that Takara Lopa Sutra is Siddha for this Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddha? So the explanation is given that Bahula Shabda is used by Maharshi Panini. So Bahula Shabda is generally used for the purpose of getting the Sadhu Prayoga, Sadhu Shabda. Now, if there are more than one trouble or many troubles are there to find out the exact form, this type of word is used, Bahula. And then with that Bahula Shabda, we have to do the Siddhi of Sadhu Prayoga. So Maghavan is the sadhu prayoga, that is how it is used. So based on Bahula Shabda, we can recognize, okay, though this Sanyogantasya Lopa is supposed to be Asiddha, here we will do the Siddha. Why? Because Maghavan is the Shabda used, not the Maghavan Shabda used. So to do Maghavan Shabda Rupa Siddhi, we do need to consider this Sanyogantasya Lopa as Siddha. But what will be the pramana? Based on what we will consider this Sanyoganta Lopa is Siddha? So Bahula Shabda is used. So just like this, anywhere else, mostly this Bahula Shabda, whenever it is used, very difficult form or very not possible by the given explanation, or some problem is coming in the explanation, then this Bahula Shabda is used. And with the power of that Bahula Shabda, the explanation is given. So here, Sanyoganta Lopa was literally Asiddha for this Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddha, but because of Bahula Shabda, we consider that no, Sanyogantasya Lopa is considered as Siddha here, and Takara is disappeared. Only for Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddha, not for Nalopa Pratipadikantasya. For Nalopa Pratipadikantasya, it is Asiddha only again. And that's how we keep Nakara. That's how we do Akara Dirgha. So taking the power of Bahula Shabda, we did the Bodh Karya. That we did not make this Nakara to disappear, and we turn that Akara into Dirgha. Hope this explanation is clear.
Yes, Ji.
I
Pachan,
think it's
Yeah,
good
Pamit.
if you just repeat the last part, because so in Madhava, this Nalopa Pratipadikantasya, Sanyogantasya Lopa, that works, and then Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddha, which will be make it Dirgha. Upadha Dirgha.
Yes.
But in the other case, it did not work because you said the Bahula is there. Maghava Bahulam. What is Bahulam?
Okay. I will.
You are saying Bahulam is Vikalpa.
Okay, I will explain again. Bahula sometimes does Vikalpa.
Okay.
Sometimes
Pravritti, Apravritti.
All these meanings will come. Now here, Kvachit Anya Deva means how Anya Deva, Pravritti, Apravritti, and Anya Deva means what? Maghava Bahulam through Adesha is said to be done for the Maghavan Shabda by this sutra. Now, some strange karya is happening here. What? Maghavan Shabda is impossible to do the siddhi of this Maghavan Shabda, Maghavan Rupa. Why?
But it is used.
Yes, but Maghavan is the real form.
Okay.
Now, if at all we want to do the siddhi of Maghavan, this particular form, then we will have to consider this Sanyogantasya Lopa, this particular Shastra, Siddha for Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddha, which was supposed to be Asiddha, Purvatra Siddham. Okay. So we consider Sanyogantasya Lopa as Siddha, and we do the disappearance of Takara. Again, if we consider this Sanyogantasya Lopa as Siddha, then for Nalopa Pratipadikantasya, here also it may become Siddha. That okay, Sanyogantasya Lopa Takara has disappeared only. But if we take that Sanyogantasya Lopa as Siddha Shastra, then the Nalopa Pratipadikantasya will get placed to work in this Maghavan Shabda. Because we already said that Sanyogantasya Lopa is supposed to be Asiddha, but here we will consider it as Siddha. Okay. Now, if we consider Sanyogantasya Lopa as Siddha, then this, of course, Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddha will be applied and this Upadha Dirgha will happen, but also Nalopa Pratipadikantasya will get placed to work, and then Nakara will disappear from this Maghavan. then we will get just Maghava. Now, no, here we say for Nalopa Pradipadikantasya, it is Asiddha only. Only for Sanyogantasya Lopa, sorry, Sarvanama Sthanecha Sambuddhav, it is Siddha. So here, I'll write.
Okay, understood. So this is just for the Sadhu Prayoga Siddhi, which is already there.
Correct.
You are just adjusting the sutras and niyamas.
Yes. So based on what we will give this explanation that no, for Sanyogantasya Lopa it is Sarvanama Sthanecha Sambuddha, for it is Siddha, and Nalopa Pradipadikantasya it is Asiddha. How? What is the explanation? So Bahula Shabda is the explanation.
Okay.
Here I will write Asya Prate Asya Prate for Sarvanama Sthanecha Sambuddha, Sanyogantasya Lopa is Siddha, and for Nalopa Pradipadikantasya it is Asiddha. Bahula Shabda Prayogat. Bahula Shabda Prayogat. So that's how we get Maghavan. By taking Asiddhatva, Nakara has not disappeared. By taking Siddhatva, the Upadha Akara has become Dirgha. That's how we get Maghavan Shabda. Now, this is clear. Maghavan form is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now this Maghava, Maghavan Shabda, this through the Adesha we did for that Nakara is Vaikalpika. It will happen once, it will not happen once. So Maghavat through sometimes optionally it will remain Maghavan only. Optionally it will remain Maghavan only. Optionally it will get replaced by through. So these forms we will see later. For now we are seeing this through Tranta forms. Now. Maghavan Au. Maghavat through Dhana Au. Maghavat Dhana Au. This is what we have got. Now here the sutra will be applied. With the charm.
Ugidacham Sarvanamasthane Adhatuh.
Correct. So Ugidacham Sarvanamasthane Dhatuh. Maghava Num then Ta Au. Only Nakara will remain. Maghavan Au. Then it is connected. Maghavanto. Maghavan Maghavanto. Maghavan Dhana Jas. What will happen here?
Numagama by Udidacham Sarvanamastane Char.
First, the nakara will be replaced by through.
True.
Maghava Bahulam.
Maghava Bahulam.
Then
Ubidacham.
Udidacham Sarvanamasthane Dhatuh. Then Bhagavan. Nothing. Just Sasarushuru Paravasana Rusarjana. Maghavan Dhana Am.
Maghava Bahulam.
Maghava Bahulam.
Numagama by Udidacham Sarvanamastane Dhatuh. Maghavantam.
Maghavantam. Maghavan Dhana out.
Maghava Bahulam.
Then
Numagama by Udidacham Sarvanamastane Dhatuh.
Ubidacham Sarvanamasthane Dhatuh.
Udidacham Sarvanamasthane Dhatuh.
Bhagavantau.
Maghavantam. Bhagavan Dhana
Shas.
Before that, sorry, will Nakara get Anuswara?
Actually, in this whole process, it becomes this nakara, apadanta nakara becomes anuswara, nascha padantasya jali. So apadanta nakara becomes anuswara. Once it becomes anuswara, then it gets again, it turns into nasal of next letter. Anuswarasya yai parasavarna. So these two steps we just skipped, but two steps are more involved in this.
So anyway, it will be Nakara only.
Yes, eventually it will turn into nakara, but it goes through two steps here, like this. Maghava na ta au. So here this nakara will become anuswara because it is apadanta nakara. Apadantasya jhali pare anuswara asya. So maghava ta au. Sutra is nascha padantasya jhali. Then Maghavan again anuswara will turn into nakara. By anuswarasya yai parasavarna, and eventually we get Maghavanta form. So these two steps are always there wherever we are declining this. Apadanta nakara first turns into anuswara, again turns into nakara only because there is ta in front of it. Sometimes if not, whatever is the paravarna, then based on that will change.
Thank you.
Maghavan Dhanashas. What will happen here?
with the germ sarvanam. Okay, bahulat. Maghava bahul.
Next sutra will not apply because it's not sarvanamasthana.
Correct. भगवतः तसरेश्वरो खरवसान विसर्जनीय मघवत भगवान धन
ता.
ता.
Maghava bahulam.
Video खाली.
Bhagavata.
भगवता भगवान धनभ्याम what will happen here? Correct na? No.
The rikara
Bhagavat
will be
Vyam.
Maghavadhyam. Jalam Jashunte.
Jalan Jashunte. Ready? Bhagavadhyam. Bhagavan Dhanabhis. Here.
Maghava bahulam. Jalam Jashunte. Maghavadhi.
भगवान धन भगवतृ
Maghava bahulam.
Bhagavate. Bhagava Bhagava.
भगवान धनभ्याम भगवद भगवा बहुलम
Jalam Jasham.
भगवान धनभ्यस
Maghavadhyah.
भगवा बहुलम एंड
Jalam Jasham.
कलंदोषम भगवान धन नसी
Maghava bahulam.
मघवतः मघवा बहुलम भगवद्भ्याम भगवा बहुलम एंड
Adhyah. Maghava bahulam. Jalam Jashunte.
भगवान धन नस
Nas.
Maghavatah.
ओस
Maghavatu.
भगवतोः
भगवन्धनां
ताम्
आम्
भगवान्
माघवा मघवती
भगवती
मघवा बहुलम् मघवतु
भगवतोः सुप् yeah.
भगवत्सु
भगवत्सु
बहुलं
then मघवन् धनसु
हे भगवान्
Upada Dirgha will not happen apart from that.
उपधा दीर्घ will not happen.
Algyabhyo Dirgha Suti se.
हल्ङ्याभ्यो दीर्घात् सुति से प्रोक्तम हल सकार will disappear. Sorry,
Maghava
first we
bahulam.
have to do Maghava Bahulam. Then Ugidacham sir. Okay, we will write the full Prakriya. Maghavatru sa Maghava Bahulam. Then Sutra is
Udidacham
Udidacham
sarvanamastani.
सर्वनाम धातुः
then
भगवन्
sa will disappear. Hanyabhyo dirghas sutitya proktam. Then
Sakara lopa. Why say yoga antarsu lopa?
Nakara will not disappear because Sanyogantasya lopa is asiddha for nalopa pratipadikantasi. And Upadha Dirgha will not take place because Sarvanamasthanecha Sambuddha is not applicable on it. Hey Maghavan. Then Maghavan, then how?
Maghava bahulam.
Maghava Bahulam, then
Maghavata. Maghamata udidacham sarvanamastani. Adhatuhu.
Maghavantau. Maghavan, Dhanajas.
Maghavantana as.
Sutra is
Maghava bahulam. Then Magama will happen by Ugidacham sarvanamastani adhatoho.
Maghavantaha. Maghavantaha. Now, this was the Prakriya with whenever we are doing this through Adesha to this Nakara of Maghavan Shabda. If that through adesha is not done. Whenever this through adesha is not done, again separate 21 forms we get. Those are Maghavan, then a Suf. Now here we are declining. So simple prakriya. We will not apply this Ugidacham Sarvanam, Maghava Bahulam and Ugidacham Sarvanam Sthane. These were the two additional sutras we saw. If that is not done, just Maghavan Shabda is declined, then prakriya will be
हल ज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घ स्थिति से प्रत्यय।
भ्यो दीर्घ स्थिति से प्रत्यय हल. Then
नकार लोप विहापन by न लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य.
no, nakar lopa will not happen.
उपधा दीर्घ.
Oh, yeah, will happen, but first we will do some karya.
उपधा दीर्घ.
Upadha dirgha will do.
सर्वनाम स्थाने चा संबुद्धौ.
सर्वनाम स्थाने चा संबुद्धौ. Now
नकार लोप will happen by न लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य.
we will get from Maghava. Then Maghavan, then Aush.
उपधा दीर्घ by सर्वनाम स्थाने चा संबुद्धौ. The final form is Maghavano.
Maghavan, then just
Maghavanah. So Upada Dirgha by Sarvanamastane Cha Sambuddha.
Maghavan, then
Maghavanam.
Putra.
Sarvanamastane Cha Sambuddha.
Maghavan, then out.
Sarvanamastane Cha Sambuddha Maghavan. Now.
Maghavan, no. Now here Maghavan, then Shas. Here the prakriya is changing. So till this out, Granthakara is saying Suti. Yeah. Adhato gita nalopinah anchateschcha numsat sarvanama sthane pare. Then we got this Maghavan, Maghavanto, Maghavantah. These forms we saw. Maghavantam, Maghavanto, Maghavatah, Maghavata, Maghavadhyam, Maghavadhi. And then He Maghavan, Maghavadhyam, whenever this haladis pratyas were there. Now Trutva Abhave, when we are not doing this through, then what type of forms will be there? So Trutva Abhave, Maghava, Maghavano, Maghavanah. Suti Rajavat. Suti Rajavat means the Sut pratyas, first 5 pratyas. 2 of just out till this Rajavat. So Raja, Rajanav, Rajanah, Rajanam, Rajanav till this. Maghava, Maghavano, Maghavanah, Maghavanam, Maghavanav. Now this Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan will be Maghonah. For that we will do Samprasarana. That sutra and the further prakriya we'll see in the next class. Should we do Shanti Path Swamiji here?
Yes.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम स्वामी। हरि ओम।
Arjunji, feeling good now?
Yes, I'm good now.
Recovered? Was it due to exhaustion or some infection happened?